Well, it's the 22nd of August. Out chasing southern Arizona, Picacho Peak. Nice little storm just started dropping right there, and it had some thunder, so I'm hoping a nice little bolt on the backside. We also have this guy. Well, it was not much. Whew, that looks good. It's gorgeous. Storms are moving so fast to the north today that it makes it harder to kind of shoot because, well, golly, look at that. Left side is just dropping. I don't like these trees in the way, but we had stopped to shoot this cactus this way, and then this went nuts. So we were kind of in the wrong spot, but we're just going with it. Look at the left side dropping there. Wow. Another bolt. If I don't get in front of this and there's a boob, I'm gonna be sad. Big downburst over Phoenix right now. Look at that. Wow. Papago is right there and got disappeared. And we got wall dust coming in and a new base going up there. So this is wild. Look at this downburst right here, and look at this plane. Where is he going? Bruh. Did I just see a lightning bolt there? Maybe not. That dude is flying to the left of that range shaft. That's the old one dissipating. Here's the new monster ball that just formed. Wow. Downtown Tempe, somewhere in there, disappeared.